Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from Beauty on My Bee. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, giveaways, everything that's kind of like beauty, makeup, skincare, feel better about yourself type items we take care of here on this channel. Today we are unboxing the Macy's Beauty Box March box, and we'll get into this in just a minute. We are giving away one of the items in here to one of you. Speaking of giveaways, every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of March. It is the Ace Beauté Nostalgia palette. I'll put a link in the description box down below. It'll take you to that giveaway, talks about how to enter that. I also have many other giveaways going on. I try to do a giveaway from each of my unboxings because I love giving back to you guys. Giveaways are really easy. Just be subscribed, watch the video in its entirety. Somewhere in here will be a secret word that you're gonna need to know. So if you are not subscribed, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid back, really supportive group here on this channel. I love the culture that we have cultivated here. If you could please do me a favor, hit that bell button and then mark it to all. And then if you are watching this on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark it so that you can receive notifications for YouTube, because I want you guys to know when I do upload, and I really want you guys to know when I do giveaways, which are a lot here on this channel. So what I have on my eyes today is from Juvia's Place. It is the Queen Palette Fumi in Juvia's. And they mainly have these three shades right here on my eyes today. I did want to tell you guys something about Mint Mongoose. Got a hold of me, asked if I would collaborate with them, and this is one of the pieces that they sent to me. It is stunning, gorgeous. I love that it represents the founder's family, and her grandmother's favorite color is blue, and the little black wisps going through it, you know, kind of correlate how the family's all tied together. And I just love that. It makes me think of my own family. So, and there's a giveaway in, I did an unboxing for Mint Mongoose. There's a giveaway in that one as well. So that's in the description box down below. So if you haven't gone and checked out that video, as soon as this one's done, go ahead and do it. So this is the Macy's Beauty Box. It is their March box. And like I said, we are going to give away one of these items to one of you. It is $15 a month, and there's always a coupon code in there, either $5, sometimes $10, that you can use at the Macy's Beauty Counter, either online or in their physical store. And there's usually some sort of tool or makeup bag or something like that. So let's find out what's in here. It always comes neatly wrapped in tissue paper. And this says, and there's a little card, talks about the products in here. It says, Me Time Magic. You deserve a treat yourself moment. So we've packed this month's box with masks, both treats and self-care, everything for the big spa energy at home. And there is a $10 off coupon code in here. So I have my eye on something that I might pick up. So the first item in here is created just for Macy's. It is a cold gel eye mask, and depuff tired eyes in the mornings or wind down at night with a soothing and obviously adorable gel mask. Instant calm. It is not sold in stores, and how to use: chill in the fridge for an hour or the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes. Then place a fleece side over your eyes and secure with the elastic strap. And it kind of has those beads kind of inside it when you see cold packs. It says just chillin'. It does have a fleece side on here with the strap. I don't want to mess up my makeup, but I'm loving this. I think this is one of the coolest things that they put in there as like a little extra bonus thing for you guys. Ooh, I love this. So this is from Peter Thomas Roth. So most of the items that they do send, most of the time they are sample deluxe size items. Every once in a while they will throw in a full size in it. So this is from Peter Thomas Roth, obviously not a full size. It is their cucumber gel mask, and cucumber, papaya, chamomile, and aloe vera are the perfect recipe to soothe, hydrate, and refresh an irritated skin. You can use this calming mask anytime, but it's especially great for after sun exposure, peels, or facials. Full size does retail for $55. Pro tip, it can also be used on tired eyes to reduce puffiness. I have used this before, you guys. It's pretty cool. I really like this. Here is another product that I've used before. It is the Glam Glow Super Mud Mask. This 5-time winner of Allure's Reader's Choice Award targets clogged pores, dead skin buildup, acne, and blemishes with the Super 6 acid blend and activated charcoal. Full size does retail for $60. How to use: apply thin layer to clean skin 1 to 3 times a week. Leave on until it hardens, then rinse with warm water. So I do masking review series on this channel where I try on different masks. I did do a review of this, and if you go to my playlist for my masking reviews, I talk about this one. And it's in one of my mud mask series. Here is a full-size product. It is by Harper and Airy. It is the BlackBerry Fizz Bar Bath Balm. This new handmade relaxation treat made its way into your box to remind you that Luxe bubble baths are everything. Does retail for $10. How to use: fill your tub with warm water and fizz your cares away. I love a good bath bomb. I've tried the Harper and Airy kind of like sugar scrubs for your body. I haven't tried one of their bath bombs before, so I'm looking forward to this. Ooh, here is from Mario Badescu. It's a facial spray with aloe and chamomile and lavender. One spritz provides an instant boost of hydration, antioxidants, and calming botanicals to brighten, balance, and replenish your skin. A full size does retail for $12. Pro tip: keep in your bag or workplace for a midday refresh or $5. I love doing a little facial mist during the day because my face is really dehydrated for whatever reason now, and my hands especially are. I don't know what's going on, but they are like overly dry. From Rituals is the Sakura Foaming Shower Gel. Not only does this rich gel transform into a silky soft foam, but it also has a dreamy aroma of cherry blossom and rice milk. It does retail for $12.50. How to use: lather in the shower or bath for luxurious self-care. So, and they're usually put in like some either perfume, cologne samples. This is from Centered, and it is the De-Stress Wellbeing Ritual Aromatherapy Balm. This 100% natural blend of essential oils, shout out to chamomile and mandarin and neroli, provide a mess-free calming energy. Full size does retail for $24. How to use: apply to your pulse points as needed for tension relief. Here's what the inner packaging kind of looks like. I don't really like the smell of that. Yeah, I'm not even gonna put that on the ball of my hands. That one is a big miss for me. So it's an okay box. I wish that they would start getting back to putting more makeup in their things instead of just always skincare. Because for skincare, you've got to use it for 28 to 60 days to see if it's even really going to work for you. And these little sample sizes, unless you already know that the product works for you, you aren't going to be able to find that out in, 3 or 4 days that they give you enough for the sample sizes. So I wish that they would start putting some more makeup back in, because they used to put in makeup all the time. So let's give to one of you guys the Glam Glow Mask. In honor of the craziness that is the NCAA tournament right now, let's have that secret word be dance. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Make sure to only fill it out once. And make sure to put on it your YouTube name as well as what that secret word is. Do not put that secret word in the comments down below. Let's have this giveaway go through April 11th, Mountain Standard Time at midnight, and then I will do a video like I did a couple of videos ago. We do the spin the wheel and we announce all the winners from the previous month. So we'll do that on April 14th. You can get extra bonus entries if you go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is beauty. AMA, A-M-A, and the letter B. And if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm really trying hard to grow the channel here. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you. Make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to kind of brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older in order to enter. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate it. Like I said, I'm trying to grow the channel, and where I'm lagging behind the most is my watch time minutes. So if you can help me out with that, that would be greatly appreciated. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.